Hello, beautiful people of Green Ground. It's your host, Alvin, back with another dive into the cinematic universe that keeps on giving. Today, we're unraveling the enigma wrapped in a riddle, shrouded in CGI that is the Marvels. So buckle up, because we're about to take a flight with some superpowered individuals. And trust me, the turbulence in this journey, absolutely intentional. But before we soar off, if you're new here or if you've been around but haven't committed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and don't forget to comment. Your engagement is the wind beneath our creative wings, and we love soaring with you. Remember, there's always more juicy details in the description below. Now, on to the Marvels. Our sequels, Hollywood's favorite child. They arrive with promises, carrying the weight of their predecessors, sometimes soaring to new heights, and other times, well, not quite meeting expectations. The Marvels is tiptoeing on a tightrope here, folks. It's the follow-up to 2019's Captain Marvel. And oh, what a mixed bag that was. Remember the feline frenzy? Yes, an alien cat named Goose was responsible for Nick Fury's iconic eye patch. If that doesn't define cinematic unpredictability, I don't know what does. The Marvel seems to be taking unpredictability to a whole new level. The movie has faced more delays than a commuter during rush hour. Originally announced for 2022, it's been pushed back more times than we care to count. But hey, good things come to those who wait, right? Or so they say. The whispers from the grapevine haven't been all rosy, though. Rumors of on-set dramas, creative differences, and extensive reshoots have been as clingy as a toddler to their favorite toy. And then there's the trailer. Oh, the trailer, it's like peeking through a keyhole into a room you're not sure you want to enter. Our beloved Captain Marvel seems to have taken the back seat in her own sequel. Instead, the spotlight is dancing around newcomers Monica Rambeau and Kamala Khan. Now, don't get me wrong. Fresh faces are the lifeblood of ongoing franchises, but these characters are stepping out of the shadows of Disney and into the blinding light of a feature film. Will they be friends or foes to the fan base? Only time will tell. Speaking of time, if you're enjoying our little chat, why not take a moment to like this video? And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Your thoughts are the spark to our content's flame, so don't hold back in the comments. We're all about that engagement here at Green Ground. Now, back to our superpowered saga. The plot? Well, it's as tightly wrapped as a Christmas present in July. The three heroines' powers are intertwined, leading to a cosmic game of musical chairs. They swap places when using their abilities. Imagine the identity crisis. Folks, it's like being in a superhero witness protection program. But here's the kicker. Amidst the high-flying action and quippy one-liners, the Marvels is poised to tackle something bigger. Yes, my friends, we're talking about themes neglected in the superhero world like, dare I say, female empowerment. Groundbreaking, isn't it? After years of muscled men saving the world, it's refreshing to see women take the lead. But will it be a breath of fresh air or a gust of tried tropes? We're all eager to find out. As we anticipate the release of the Marvels, one can't help but ponder the trajectory of superhero movies. They're not just about capes and villains anymore. Their cultural dialogues, mirrors reflecting our society's hopes, fears, and sometimes its glaring inconsistencies. They can uplift, unite, and sometimes divide. So what side of history will the Marvels fall on? Will it redefine the genre or get lost in the multiverse? It's a narrative in the making, and we're all here for it. As we wrap up today's deep dive, remember the conversation doesn't end here. We're just getting started, and we want to hear from you. What are your predictions for the Marvels? Any conspiracy theories you want to share? Drop those thoughts in the comments below. And if you need more details, just peek into the description. We've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Stay connected, stay curious, stay awesome. Until next time, this is Alvin, signing off. Keep the magic alive. Green Ground.